Halloween is here, and that means it's time to pull out your favorite Lemax pieces or even buy a few more. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY witch's spellbook display. It is so creepy and fun, and you need just a few things. Are you guys ready? Let's make it. To get started, you're going to need 2 pieces of foam board. I cut 2 pieces to 12.5 inches by 21.5 inches. You can vary the size based on how much room you have to make your display. Next, we're going to take pieces of brown craft paper, and we're going to cut 8 pieces for each side of our book. So this is going to be the front and the back cover of the book. Once you cut each piece, we're going to actually crumble it up. Once it's nice and crumbled, open it back up again. And we're going to do this to the rest of our pieces. To continue weathering the pages of the book, we're going to take some black watercolor and wash our sheets. You can do as little or as much color as you want. You can also tear the edges of the pages to make it look older and spookier. Once all the pages are dry, it's time to staple them together. Line up the long side of your pages and staple all the way down the edge. To create the binding of the book, I took a cardboard craft roll, cut it in half, and painted both pieces on each side with black paint. This is going to be our binding. We're going to use hot glue to glue it between the 2 pieces of foam board. Next, we're going to take both sides of our book pages and we're going to glue them together. Once the glue is dry, we can open our book back up and find the center. It's already starting to look like a book. Next, we're going to glue the full set of pages into the binding of the book. Hold the pages in place until the glue dries. And just like that, we have a spell book, or at least the start of one, but what we're missing are some witches' spells. I'm going to grab some puffy paint and add some spells, and we're going to start to bring our witch's spellbook to life with my favorite witch-themed Lemax pieces. All right, it's time to bring our spellbook to life with our witch-themed Lemax pieces. A must-have for our witch's potion is bad apples, and you can get those at the Bad Apple shop. Check out this piece and how it lights up. And if you're not quite sure about those bad apples, just hop on over here and you can get a free sample from this witch. And after that witch's potion is done, relax in the witch's Zebo in our bone yard, which bones make a great tool for stirring a potion. That's it for today's spooky DIY. I've got to start working on my spells, but in the meantime, you can visit Lemax's website to find out more about all of the pieces that I used today, and remember, you can purchase these at authorized Lemax retailers. Stay tuned because I've got more DIY displays coming up for your year-round Lemax collections. Happy Halloween!